putting the 17 HMR on the right against the 22 mag on the left. These water bottles, stainless steel, full of sand, try to catch the bullet. We got two, one for the 17 and one for the 22. I had them full of water, and well, not these ones, and it just blows them apart, but I think full of sand should be able to catch the bullet and check our bullet weight retention. We're going to be using our Marlin 17 HMR versus a Savage 22 mag, and we're shooting about 65-70 yards. 17 first on the left. Now the 20 there. Now the 22. Hopefully. Two clean hits. 17 didn't go through. 22 didn't go through. So let's find the bullets. Very little left to the 17. Found a fragment. This is just the jacket. See the hollow hole right there. And a tiny little piece of lead. 22 mags stayed together. That was a 40 grain hollow point, by the way. Winchester. So that's a nice size slug right there. So there you have it.